Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a J1772 extension cable safely for home charging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your materials. You will need a J1772 extension cable, safety goggles, gloves, and electrical tape. Ensure the charging station is unplugged and turned off. Locate the J1772 charging port on your electric vehicle. Take the extension cable and inspect it for any visible damage or wear. Position the extension cable so it can easily reach the charging station. Carefully connect one end of the extension cable to the charging station. Make sure the connection is secure and that the locking mechanism clicks into place. Next, take the other end of the extension cable. Plug it into your vehicle's J1772 charging port. Listen for a click, indicating that the connection is secure. Now, check both connections to ensure they are snug and correctly seated. Put on your safety goggles and gloves. Turn on the charging station. Observe the indicator lights on both the charging station and your vehicle. Confirm that the charging process has started. If there are any error indicators, disconnect the extension cable immediately. If all is well, step back and monitor the charging process periodically. Once your vehicle is fully charged, turn off the charging station. Carefully unplug the end from your vehicle first. Then, unplug the extension cable from the charging station. Store the extension cable in a dry, safe place for future use. Regularly check the condition of both the extension cable and charging stations to ensure safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.